9 worst foods to avoid if you have fatty liver disease. If you have fatty liver disease, adjusting your diet is crucial to help manage the condition and prevent further liver damage. Here are 9 foods and beverages to avoid. Number 9. Alcohol. Alcohol is one of the biggest culprits when it comes to liver damage. It's directly toxic to liver cells and can lead to inflammation and scarring. If you have fatty liver disease, cutting out alcohol entirely is a must. Imagine your liver as a diligent worker. Alcohol is like a constant barrage of extra tasks that eventually overwhelm and damage it. Number 8. Sugary foods and beverages. Sugar might be sweet, but its impact on your liver is anything but. Consuming a lot of sugary foods and drinks like candy, soda, and pastries leads to an increase in fat buildup in the liver. It's like turning your liver into a sugar factory, which isn't what it's meant to do. Over time, this can lead to more severe liver conditions. Number 7. Fried foods. Fried foods are delicious but are loaded with unhealthy fats and calories. Eating too many fried foods is like adding fuel to a fire in your liver. These foods contribute to weight gain and fat accumulation, which exacerbates fatty liver disease. Think of your liver trying to deal with a flood of unhealthy fats every time you eat fried food. It's overwhelming. Number 6. Refined carbohydrates. Foods such as white bread, pasta, and rice might be staples in many diets, but they can be problematic. They cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels, leading to increased fat storage in the liver. Imagine refined carbs as fast fuel that your liver has to quickly store away as fat, adding to its burden. Number 5. Red meat. Red meat is high in saturated fats, which can cause inflammation and further liver damage. Picture saturated fats as sticky substances that clog up your liver, making it harder for it to function properly. Number 4. Full-fat dairy products. These products are rich in saturated fats, which can worsen fatty liver disease. Think of full-fat dairy as a heavy load that your liver has to carry, making it work harder than it should. Number 3. Processed foods. Processed foods often contain unhealthy fats, sugars, and salt, which can all contribute to liver damage. Eating processed foods is like sending your liver a mixed bag of harmful substances to process, overloading it in multiple ways. Number 2. Trans fats. Trans fats, found in many fast foods and processed snacks, are particularly harmful. They increase inflammation and can accelerate liver damage. Imagine trans fats as tiny troublemakers that create chaos in your liver, leading to long-term issues. Number 1. Salt. Excessive salt intake can lead to fluid retention and put additional strain on your liver. Think of salt as creating a swamp in your body, where your liver has to work extra hard to keep things flowing smoothly. Focus on healthier alternatives. Focusing on a balanced diet with plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats can help manage and potentially reverse fatty liver disease. By making these healthier choices, you're giving your liver a chance to recover and function more effectively. Picture your liver as a finely tuned engine. When you fuel it with the right nutrients, it runs smoothly and keeps your body in top shape.